Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a stars-themed cake. So let's get started. I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. And I cleaned up the cake board. Then I rolled out some yellow fondant. I had gathered all the star cutters that I have for this cake. I started out cutting out some of the larger ones, but filled in the scraps with smaller and smaller stars. I placed the larger ones on the cake and set the smaller ones aside until we're closer to filling the cake. I continued cutting out stars and placing the larger ones on the cake and setting the smaller ones aside. Once I was happy with how many stars was on the cake, I started placing the smaller ones. I really wanted this cake to be covered in stars. This is a very simple yet cool looking way to decorate a cake, and it's one anyone can do. I thought it was fun. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.